Just be yourself. Here we go, vlog number 2. Look at me go, taking my next step, you know, in the journey. Consistency is going to be key here. I don't know how many I'll do a week. I'm thinking 1 or 2, so we'll see. But anyway, I'm doing it. I'm got fairly busy day filming today. I've got a meeting now with a couple that I'm shooting their wedding next month. So it's kind of my first meeting with a couple. Before, in the past, my other weddings, I've kind of either known the couple or known the photographer really well, so there wasn't any need to meet with the couple. But today I'm meeting with a couple for a coffee, which is it's kind of cool. So doing that now, and then I'm off to do 2 drone shoots for a solar panel company, and then this afternoon I'm doing a testimonial at a gym, a local gym on the Gold Coast, for my buddy Wattsites. My buddy Cody at Wattsites. So I thought today I'll bring you along on a typical video day for me and show you what I get up to. But for now I'm going to go catch up with Alice and Jordan, and I will probably not film it, but I'll see you guys on the drive to Brizzy for the drone shoots. So that went splendid, other than getting the bride's name wrong. It's not Alice, it's Elise. I don't know, bloody Sapphire, I don't know how to say names. Just realised all my drone batteries are completely empty, which is no good if you're doing a drone job, is it? But luckily I've got the old car charger happening, so by the time I get up to Brizzy I should have 1 full battery at least. Oh yeah, let's go to Brizzy. Cool, so I've arrived at my first drone job location here in Brizzy, so I'm going to get this done and then go have some lunch. I'm trying intermittent fasting at the moment, so I have dinner, then I skip breakfast, then I eat lunch, and I try and make it at least to 12 PM. It's 11:45 right now. I could literally eat this camera. I'm so hungry. One of the things I'm finding with intermittent fasting this week, first week doing it, there's the risk to eat more than what you need to, because you're so hungry by the time lunchtime comes around. Instead of just eating to where you're satiated, that's a big word, isn't it, for a South African, you inevitably, wow, English is hard, eh? You inevitably eat more than what you need to because you're so hungry, and then realize half an hour later that, oh, I've overdone it, I overshot the mark there. So I'm going to try today to just bring it from a 10 to a 6, or, you know, anyway, what am I talking about? Let's get this drone shot. It's sunny out today, super sunny. So we've got the Polar Pro ND filters for the drone, so basically like sunglasses for your drone. Here we go, the big daddy Mavic Pro 2, the big 1-inch sensor, Hasselblad. Come on. Angry parrot. Okay, I'm going, buddy. Come. It's pretty hard to make solar panels look good, but I think I did it again. So I'm not in a great area of Brizzy, but I won't name the place. But let's see what I can find for lunch here. Hopefully something half decent. What's in the bagel over here?
This one's Turkish chicken brie and tandoori sauce.
Oh, perfect. I'll have one of those, thank you.
Would you like tofu?
Yes, please. That'd be
To
great.
take away, right?
Yeah, thank you. Oh, sorry, you got this one?
Yes, I got it.
So, quick little update before my camera dies. Battery's gone, memory card's full. It's a disaster. I'm gonna have to film the rest of this vlog on my phone, which is fine. I'm gonna do it anyway. Am I angry? Yes. Am I gonna do it still? Yes. What have I got here? A little nectarine, coconut water, pineapple lime, juice smoothie. Let's see what the sugar contents are. They don't have them on here. No. Oh, here we go. Yeah, no, don't worry about it, eh? A bit too many sugars. 25 grams. Too much, guys. But real nice little chicken, cranberry and brie, what do you call them? Wow. Bagel. Little bagel there for lunch. So yeah, on to the next one, eh? Okay team, we're at the next location. I'm in the Bow Desert. It literally feels like I'm in a different country, eh? It's dry and dead. Everything's just... I thought I could hear something in the bush, like a snake or something, but I think I might just move away from these fields. The Noah's Creative Juice was There is definitely something in that bush. 100%. The Noah's Creative Juice was absolutely worth every 25 grams of sugar. It was unreal. Let's get this drone up, get the last shot, get home.
Please check it on the map.
Forgot about the power lines there. Close call, mate. Close call. That's it, second drone job done. I can't believe I get to fly drones around and get paid for it. It's a pretty awesome gig. I'm gonna head home. It's about a 15-minute drive. I need to pee really, really badly. So I'm gonna stop at the servo, and I'm very tempted to pick up something sweet, but I'm gonna resist. Nothing sweet, nothing sugary, just in and out to the toilet.